मैं पढ़ूँगा। I will study. I will study. वो खूब पढ़ता है। He studies a lot. He studies a lot. तुम कहाँ जाते हो? Where do you go? Where do you go? हम किस तरह आएंगे? How will we come? How will we come? ये बच्चे कहाँ रहते हैं? Where do these children live? Where do these children live? वो खिड़की से झाँक रहा था। He was peeping through the window. He was peeping through the window. वो सभी किसके भाई हैं? Whose brothers are they all? Whose brothers are they all? कल 6 बजे बस निकल चुकी होगी। Bus will have left by 6 o'clock tomorrow. Bus will have left by 6 o'clock tomorrow. बच्चे स्कूल से आ रहे होंगे। Children will be coming from school. Children will be coming from school. कभी कभी स्वार्थी होना अच्छा होता है। Being selfish at times is fair. Being selfish at times is fair. वो मुझे पीटने के बारे में बात कर रहे थे। They were talking about beating me. They were talking about beating me. पैसे के मामले में स्वार्थी बनो। We selfish for money matters. We selfish for money matters. मैं आपसे मिलने को बेताब हो रहा हूँ। I am being crazy to meet you. I am being crazy to meet you. मुझे बताया गया था। I had been told. I had been told. वो घर पर होना चाहिए। He should be at home. He should be at home. हमें खुश किया जा रहा है। We are being made happy. We are being made happy. आप थके हुए लगते हैं। You seem to be tired. You seem to be tired. ये काम किया जाना है। This work is to be done. This work is to be done. स्वार्थी मत बनिए। Don't be selfish. Don't be selfish. वो दिल्ली में कभी नहीं रहा है। He has never been in Delhi. He has never been in Delhi. Or he has never lived in Delhi. He has never lived in Delhi. आपको पूछा जाना चाहिए था। You should have been asked. You should have been asked. उसे भेजा जा रहा होगा। He will be getting sent. He will be getting sent. वो बदल रहा है। He is being changed. He is being changed. मैं थक रहा हूँ। I am getting tired. I am getting tired. कमरों को साफ किया जाना है। The rooms are to be cleaned. The rooms are to be cleaned. कमरे को साफ किया जा रहा था. The room was being cleaned. The room was being cleaned. आपके पास क्या था? What did you have? What did you have? मेरे पास कार होनी चाहिए थी. I should have had a car. I should have had a car. आपसे मिलने के बाद मैं निकल गया. Having met you, I left. Having met you, I left. ऐसा घर मेरे पास हो मेरा सपना था. To have such a house was my dream. To have such a house was my dream. Or having such a house was my dream. Having such a house was my dream. आप जैसा अध्यापक पाकर मैं खुश हूँ. I am happy to have such a teacher like you. I am happy to have such a teacher like you. उसके पास कार हो सकती है. He may have a car. Or he might have a car. Or you can say he could have a car. लगता है तुम्हारे पास दिमाग नहीं है. It seems that you don't have brain. It seems that you don't have brain. Or you can say you seem to have no brain. You seem to have no brain. गिलास में कितना पानी था? How much water was there in the glass? How much water was there in the glass? Or you can say how much water did the glass have? How much water did the glass have? साथ खेले हुए काफ़ी समय हो गया. It has been a long having played together. It has been a long having played together. हो सकता है उसके पास किताब हो. He may have a book. Or he might have a book. Or you can say he could have a book.